Hi guys, it's Christina and I'm a holistic health coach. In this episode I'm going to share with you a recipe for savory oatmeal. I feel that savory oatmeal has become something like a trend lately, and it makes sense actually, because waking up to a breakfast that's savory instead of sweet keeps you satiated longer and also helps you make healthier decisions during the day. This recipe is protein based and also healthy fat based. Protein because it contains egg. If you are a vegan, you can replace the egg with mushrooms or with protein powder, or actually leave it as it is, because pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds are good sources of protein too. So let's get into it. Boil a half a cup of oatmeal with a half a cup of milk of your choice. Till it gets this type of texture, and then transfer it to a plate. Poach an egg. I have a video on how to perfectly poached eggs. I usually crack an egg in a container before I transfer it in boiled water, as it is easier to shape them. It usually takes 2 to 3 minutes to get ready. When ready, transfer the egg on the oatmeal and then sprinkle with your toppings: sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, dried cranberries. And enjoy! You can also grab 2 guides below this video. One is a Health and Happiness for Life guide with my 10 principles, and the other one is a healthy snack guide. And obviously, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment in the section below with your thoughts, share it with your friends, and do subscribe, because I upload new content every week. See you in the next episode.